social problems. Many social problems in the world will not be solved unless we take action. Famine is caused when plants and animals die due to disease or lack of water. Scientists are working on solutions, such as better irrigation methods and hardier plants. There are still some wars around the world, though not so many as in the past. The UN is working to resolve conflicts inside or between nations and help them settle their differences peacefully. Over 1 billion people live in poverty. This means they often don't have enough food or a place to live. Poverty usually goes hand in hand with homelessness and unemployment. Unemployed people find it difficult to buy food or pay for a home. Millions of people live on the streets. Charities like Oxfam work with communities to teach new skills and help people become more independent. Children, babies and older people are at a higher risk from disease, especially in poor countries. Despite the new vaccines and medicines, there is still a lot of work to be done. Teaching people to read and write will help them get out of poverty. Illiteracy stops people getting a job, which is why it is so important for everyone to be able to go to school. And it's also important that people are not treated differently because of their skin color, race, or ethnic origin. Everyone deserves the same rights and opportunities. What do you think we can do to solve these problems?